What's up everyone, I'm Michael with TECHMB. Today, we're going to go through an unboxing and set up this, the iPhone SE. So, with that, let's get into it. So, I got the iPhone SE. This is the 64GB midnight variant. It comes in Apple's new small packaging because they don't include a charging brick in the box, which we'll see. This lets them fit more iPhones onto a truck, which is more environmentally friendly, i.e. it reduces Apple's shipping costs, but whatever, that's not for me to deal with. Anyway, getting into it, this is a fairly simple unboxing experience. They do put their nice little pull tabs at the top and bottom of the packaging, which I appreciate. Let's see, you can focus. You can see down here and up here. So we'll just pull these off, bring it up to the microphone. Hopefully you can hear that. That was the nicer one. And we'll flip this on over, pull off the lid, and there's the iPhone, just like you would expect. This is a very glossy black. This is going to show all of the fingerprints everywhere. I did get a case. I will say, it's not pure black. It is Apple's new midnight color, which has more tones of blue in it than just straight black. Looking around, up top, you can see volume buttons up here, as well as the mute toggle switch. I still honestly enjoy having the mute toggle switch. It's nice to be able to just throw your phone into mute whenever you need to. Up top, there's nothing. Around the side, you just have a power button as well as a SIM tray. Down at the bottom, you have your speakers, as well as a lightning port. Do I wish that this was a USB-C port? Yes, of course I do. USB-C is the best connector. However, can't really expect that, especially from the older iPhone design. And around back, you just have the glossy glass, as well as still the old kind of amalgamation iPhone 8 camera lens, as well as the quad flash and a microphone. So let's get to what everyone loves, which is peeling off the plastic here. And oh yeah, up front, you do have the home button, classic home button. This is the solid state one that doesn't actually physically click. It just instead uses a vibration motor inside the phone to click. Interestingly enough, Apple has not gone with their recycled paper front sheet. This is a plastic wrap that goes from the front to the back, but it's slightly different because it does have little indicators for your volume up, volume down, mute toggle switch, and power button, as well as a little imprint for the lightning port down here, and an imprint for Touch ID. So they redesigned that, but they didn't move to the front paper. I don't know, that's a little interesting. But let's get off the paper from here. Oh yeah, that sounded nice. And oh yeah, you can really see that this is fairly bluish around back. It's not just black. But setting the phone down to the side, because this is an unboxing, you don't really get much in the box for your trouble and your money. You just get your designed by Apple in California paperwork, which comes with a SIM removal tool, always a very handy feature, as well as some paperwork and your Apple stickers. As is customary, pluck it, file it to the side, and otherwise in the box, you just get a USB-C this time. That is very nice, to lightning cable, but obviously no charger in the box. So with that, I'm gonna head in and set up this phone. Already, I have noticed that this iPhone is incredibly small, and it is very different to type on it. But I do notice how much smaller the iPhone SE is compared to the Pixel 6. I mean, this thing has a almost 2 inches larger of a display, but this is also much more cramped to type on, and because of the bezels, the screen is up in a very different place than I'm used to. Alright, we're back. I just set up Siri. We'll continue going through. Standard display zoom. Welcome to iPhone. And we're in. Sure, we can add apps. Share my location. This is a pretty standard iOS experience. A lot of bloatware. We'll get that stuff out of the way. Initial impressions. Widgets do look a little cramped here on the smaller display. iOS does feel very small on here. But I'll continue setting up this phone in just a little bit. That's been just a quick unboxing and quick tour through the setup of the iPhone SE 2022. Look in the next couple days for my first impressions as well as my full review of this device. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Michael TECHMB, and I'll see you later.